Ever feel like your budget is a runaway train and you're just desperately trying to grab onto any handle you can find? We've all been there. You're diligently using Goodbudget, meticulously assigning your funds to different envelopes, and then life happens. Maybe you overspent in one category, or an unexpected expense pops up, or perhaps you just want to tweak your savings goals. Suddenly, you need to edit or delete an envelope, and you're not quite sure how. Don't worry, you're not alone. This is a common question, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to edit and delete envelopes in Goodbudget, so you can regain control of your finances and keep that budget on track. Goodbudget is a fantastic zero-based budgeting tool, and mastering its features is key to successful money management. Envelopes are at the heart of the system, acting as virtual containers for your allocated funds. Think of them like the cash envelopes of old, but in a digital format. You assign a certain amount of money to each envelope, representing different spending categories like groceries, rent, entertainment, or savings goals. This allows you to visualize where your money is going and helps you avoid overspending. However, the beauty of a digital system like Goodbudget is its flexibility. Unlike physical cash, you can easily adjust your envelopes as needed. Things change, and your budget needs to be able to adapt. That's where the ability to edit and delete envelopes comes in. Whether you need to rename an envelope, change its target amount, or remove it altogether, Goodbudget makes the process straightforward. Let's start with editing an envelope. Perhaps you've decided to change the name of your fund money envelope to personal spending, or maybe you've realized you need to increase your emergency fund contribution. Whatever the reason, editing is simple. First, open the Goodbudget app on your phone or go to the Goodbudget website on your computer. I'll be demonstrating on the website, but the process is very similar on the mobile app. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard, which displays all your current envelopes. Find the envelope you want to edit. Let's say we want to edit our fund money envelope. Click on the envelope name. This will open a more detailed view of that specific envelope. Now, look for an edit button or icon. It's usually located near the envelope name or within the envelope details. Click on it. This will put the envelope into edit mode. You should now be able to change the envelope's name. Simply type in the new name, in our case, personal spending. You can also edit the target amount for the envelope. Maybe you've decided to allocate a little more money to personal spending. Just enter the new amount in the appropriate field. Once you've made the changes, look for a Save button or icon. Click it to confirm your edits. The envelope name and/or target amount will be updated immediately. It's that easy. Now, what if you need to delete an envelope? This might be necessary if you've consolidated categories, achieved a savings goal, or simply decided you no longer need a particular envelope. The process is also quite simple. Again, start by opening the Goodbudget app or website and navigating to your envelope dashboard. Find the envelope you want to delete. Let's say we want to delete an old vacation fund envelope because we've already taken the trip. Click on the envelope name to open its details. Just like with editing, look for an edit button or icon. Click it to enter edit mode. Within the edit mode, you should see an option to delete the envelope. It might be labeled delete, remove, or something similar. Be careful here. Deleting an envelope is usually irreversible, so make sure you're absolutely sure you want to delete it. Click on the delete option. Goodbudget will likely ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Confirm that you want to delete the envelope. Once you confirm, the envelope will be removed from your list. The funds that were in that envelope will not magically disappear, they will simply become available to be assigned to other envelopes. You might need to reallocate those funds to other categories or savings goals. It's important to note that you can't delete an envelope if it has a positive balance. You need to bring the balance to zero first by moving the funds to other envelopes. This is another safety feature to prevent you from accidentally losing track of your money. So, To recap, editing an envelope involves clicking on the envelope name, entering edit mode, changing the name and/or target amount, and saving the changes. Deleting an envelope involves a similar process, but instead of changing the details, you choose the delete option. Remember to bring the balance to 0 before deleting and be absolutely sure you want to delete, as this action is usually irreversible. Mastering these simple actions will give you complete control over your Goodbudget envelopes, allowing you to adapt your budget to life's ever-changing circumstances. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your envelopes as needed. The flexibility of Goodbudget is one of its greatest strengths. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. There will be times when you need to tweak things, and knowing how to edit and delete envelopes is a crucial skill for successful budgeting with Goodbudget. It's all about finding what works best for you and your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.